Hey, it's Bortone, and this week we are talking about the who, what, when, where, and why of video, answering your video marketing questions, starting with who. Who is your target market? Who are you making your video for? You really need to know this going in. Think about your viewer. Now, again, you may have different videos for different niches and different segments of your audience, but you always have to be thinking about the viewer, because they're thinking, is this for me? What's in it for me? Why should I care? So make sure you know exactly who you are targeting your video to, so that your message will be more powerful and resonate with that audience. That's how you get engagement, and that's how you get response. Talk to your ideal viewer, your ideal customer, and know who your video is for. Tomorrow we'll look at the, I don't even remember what tomorrow we're going to do, but we'll have another question answered in the video series, so stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions in the meantime, shoot me an email or reply to this video, or shoot me an email at vip@lubortone.com. Have a great week.